Respected faculty, we are group number 11. We are going to present our PBL project. Our PBL project is based on railways accident prevention and safety systems. Now we are going to demonstrate the project. We are a group of 3, myself Abhijit, Prashant and Prajwal. Our mentor is Aradhna ma'am. Here we are going to demonstrate fouling mark system. Basically, when a train changes its track, the driver actually has no ways to know whether the entire train has changed the track or only the forward section of the train has whether changed or not. Hence, a fouling mark is used. Here, as you can see in the video, the distance between the train and the fouling mark is around 11 meter. Hence the signal is shown red. As soon as the train crosses the 0 meter threshold, the signal will turn green as an indicator that train has completely changed the track. We have introduced another safety feature, that is smoke detector. Basically, it detects the quality of air inside the train, and whenever smoke rises beyond a certain point, which may be also an indicator of fire or something suspicious going on train, hence a red light will get turned on in driver's cabin. As you can see on the screen, now as you see, due to smoke, there is a red light getting turned on. Now you can see the readings on the screen. It measures the quality of air inside the train. Now as time goes by, the air quality will improve and the red light will get turned off. Important safety feature is that whenever an animal or human being is on the track and the train is approaching, a buzzer will ring in order to scare the animal away or to inform the human so that any mishappening could be avoided. Now as you can see in this system, as now train is moving, the buzzer is ringing, and when the train passes this threshold, this gate is opened in order to allow the flow of traffic. As soon as the train completes the entire interval, you can see the entire buzzer system is switched off, and the gate is open in order to allow the traffic to flow, and the buzzer is off because as of now the train has passed away and nothing is on the track. We are demonstrating an automatic lighting system. In order to save electricity, we have automated the lighting system according to the availability of light, atmospheric light. Here as you can see, now the train is in a dark zone, hence the light is being on. Now as the train moves in area with high intensity of light, you can see the sensors have automatically turned off light, hence this can save a lot of electricity.